Good morning everybody. I've bought a load of new tech gear. When I get back from this rather beautiful morning and this dog walk with Barney, then I'm going to show you exactly what I've got back. And this is the box in question. Now it does say fragile and has a massive kick mark in the side, so hopefully nothing was too fragile, but let's bust this thing open and see what's inside. So first up, we've got the transmitter mic. This is the DJI Mini Pro. Look at that thing, it's tiny. It's really tiny. If the box is that small, hopefully the drone will be even smaller. We'll rip that apart in a minute and have a look at what is in that box. He has gone for the Action 4 Pro. It's all DJI, it's all DJI stuff. I haven't gone GoPro. Why have I done that? Because I did a lot of extensive research, watching a lot of YouTube videos, looking at a lot of different blogs, and the image quality on this thing looks insane. I want to use this for a lot of nighttime vlogging and vlogging particularly, so it was essential for me to get a camera that is going to be up to that. Not only that, it was actually quite a bit cheaper than the creator package that I was looking at for the Hero, so hopefully this is going to be a massive winner. We're going to test it out in a bit and we will find out. Finally, in the bottom of this bag we have the carry bag for the drone. So why have I done this? And I used to carry this thing around for backpacking. I carry a 40-litre bag. This DJI Osmo Action 4 is the same setup, and look at the size difference in these things just between the box and the gimbal alone. Not only that, this thing has a lot better image quality than this thing. So let's unbox it and say goodbye to this thing forever. Right, let's get straight into this because I might even use this thing to record this and this, the unboxing of. And the accessories on top. So let's, oh, hello. Well, so it should extend, which it does. Accessories box. And then we simply have some charging cables. That's the clip for the top. And the battery bank, it is from Tummy Doozy. Look how small that is. Small that is in comparison. What? There we go. Touch it down. Is the bizarre thing about it. But wow, that is going to make a big difference to carrying this thing about. American dates. Typical. The mic. Clip onto the top. Wow, that's tiny. So this is the drone. You can see how big it is compared to my hand. There we go, fly more dock. So additional batteries, 4 of them. They're super light actually. 2. The antennas on.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
So that's first attempt, so we're going to get it back to the studio, aka my desk, and see what it's saying. And this brings us to the lure that I have been looking for. These really beautiful sweeping shots of scenery and views and buildings like this that will help me explain to you how these things have been built and why. Church of St Andrew's Abbey in Sembringham. So I know I said I would do a video on India, and I am going to do that. I'm planning it, and I can assure you that it is in the making. I have the maps. I've been reading this book on the traditional architecture of India, and I will do that. It'll be next week, but I really did get carried away with all these new toys, and I hope you appreciate why, because even this video and this sound is so different to what we had at the start of the video. Wind it back, you will see what I mean. My face is so blurry, it is unreal. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like and share for more.